Stop the Rodent is an easy and highly effective solution for keeping rodents from chewing or nesting in your engine. Before using Stop the Rodent, have any wiring that has been damaged repaired by a certified technician. Stop the Rodent adheres best to clean wiring. First, remove engine coverings if present. Then use a low-pressure sprayer to remove dust and debris. Wait until the engine has dried before moving on to the application. Apply a liberal coating of Stop the Rodent to all the wires and hoses. Be sure to spray down into the nooks and crannies to get everything coated. Spray in through the wheel well and underneath the car to reach wiring there. It is fine if there is overspray on the metal components, but it is not necessary to coat these. If you have plastic engine covers, you can spray these as well before putting them back in. Stop the Rodent should be applied outdoors or in a well-ventilated space. Gloves, masks, and protective eyewear can be used for additional protection, but do take care to keep the spray out of your eyes. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes before driving to allow Stop the Rodent time to dry. This will eliminate any risk of fire. Stop the Rodent leaves your engine compartment looking shiny, but best of all, it will keep out those pesky rodents.